Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Trader. I'm glad you are here today because we are going to talk something about which is very important, that is the market cycle and the psychology behind it and why so many traders, even the experienced, get it wrong. So I am in the market for almost 11 years now, and let me tell you, understanding the market cycles is one thing and understanding how our minds react to it is a whole different game. So today let's break down stages of market cycle and more importantly the psychological traps which most traders get stuck. So I hope by end of this video you will get a clear idea of where to enter and where not to enter. So let's start with the basic question, what is a market cycle? So most traders think market cycle is about only uptrend and downtrend. But in reality, market cycles are more of a repeated pattern, that is the accumulation phase, the markup or the upside phase, and the distribution phase, and the markdown or the downside phase. This sounds so simple in theory, but when it comes to psychology it's going to be more tricky. So let's talk about the first stage, the accumulation stage. This is when the smart money or the big institutions quietly starts buying, right? When most of them are fearful and the prices are very low and the newses are negative and at this low prices. So here is the psychology thing over here. At this stage, most retail traders are very scared to buy because they have already lost the money and they think market over here is not going to go up, so they will not enter at these levels, so they avoid such market. At the same stage, if you talk about the smart money or the wise traders, they have seen these type of cycles before also, and they know that these fearful areas are an opportunity to buy for them, and you would have also seen this in the recent falls also. Then comes the stage 2, the markup stage, where the price will slowly start to rise, and in media and all they'll be talking about the stocks and how market is going up, and lot of traders will be excited to enter at these level in the upside rally, and everyone wants to get in or they are afraid that they will lose the rally. So here is the psychological trap over here, is that lot of traders, retail traders who didn't enter in the accumulation zone are now trying to enter this particular upside zone when the rally has already started and it's already too late. When the media, the news are talking about it, that's when a lot of them enter late. But when it comes to the wise traders or the smart money, this is what they want. Somehow they want to exit their position, they want liquidity. So they have entered at accumulation stage. Now when it is going in the upside markup stage, they want a lot of people come to enter so that they can slowly sell off when they have enough liquidity and the rally is already done. This is a stage where the greed takes over all the fundamentals and all the logics. Then comes the third stage, the distribution phase. Okay, in this stage what is going to happen, slowly these wise traders are slowly offloading their position, they're slowly taking an exit because they have got enough liquidity. And at this peak area, this is where a lot of retailers are still buying, thinking okay, the stock is at all-time high, and this is the area where accumulation, where the wise traders are entered, they're trying to exit their position or book profit at this particular area. And soon this will create a slow downtrend over here, and that is the markdown. At this stage they have successfully exited their position, but whoever the retailers who took a fresh entry at the distribution level or during an upside rally, they are stuck at different levels. Now this is where they are afraid and they take an exit position with major losses, and finally the stock comes to a bottom level where again an accumulation stage starts, and this cycle will repeat again and again. So why do most traders get it wrong? Because we are humans and our brain are wired in a such a way that we follow the crowd and we try to seek safety in terms of numbers, saying okay, this number is safe, the number is smaller, and we don't check other things, and we want to avoid pain, and then maybe we want to chase pleasure and make quick money. But having such type of thinking, the market will punish us. So here's the thing, to be successful in terms of investing and trading, you need to think differently, and you should be willing to buy when everyone is are fearful. That is when you look to buy, and when everyone are greedy, you tend to sell. And that's not easy. It needs discipline, it's need experiences, and you need a deep understanding of the market cycle, like which I showed you, and the psychology behind it. So I want to leave you with this thought. Markets are like mirrors. They don't just reflect the fundamentals but also our emotions. Every time you see when the price is moving, ask yourself these questions. What is the crowd thinking? What am I feeling about it? And most importantly, how can I avoid falling into this trap? And if you can master this psychological effect on this market cycle, you can do way better than most of the beginners and retailers. I hope this video gave an idea about psychology of market cycles and why most people get it wrong. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, button, subscribe button, and also the bell icon. And also do let me know in the comments if you have got caught in such type of traps so that we can share our experiences in the comments. Remember, stay smart, stay wise, and keep learning. I will see you in my next video.